baby. Tell her, baby, we on our way. We on our way. You name. You name. What's up, what's up? What's up, what's up, what's up, ladies?
What's up, what's up? What's up, what's up, what's up?
Alright, y'all. We back at it with another video. But this one is gonna be an Easter vlog / car tour, baby. It is Easter right now, but when you'll be watching this video, it will not be Easter anymore. So hope you guys had a great Easter with your family and ate some good food. I knew it was good. Did you save me a plate though? Did you save me a plate though? Anyway, we're about to head to my mama's house and we're about to just chill with them. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm eating. First, we're getting the punch made and then we're gonna do the car tour. All right, we got my brother. He just pulled up.
You know how we do. You know how we do.
Okay. This is it. We got Jeep Wrangler Sahara. Got that army green, the black wheels, black rims. The inside though, that peanut butter is hitting. Super cute. Love it. He washes it every 5 seconds, guys. I'll get y'all a little shot of the back. You can take the doors off, sealing all of that. He loves it. We all love it. Just have fun in it. All right, let's go eat, y'all. We're just waiting to eat now. The corn is taking about 11 hours to make, so we're just waiting on that. We're about to start eating in a minute. So we made a Starburst jungle juice. And then for our Easter dinner, we had these chicken wings, which were awesome, with some macaroni, which was great. We also had baked beans, hamburger hot dogs, sausages. And then over on the stove, we have some greens, which has slap your mama in it. Slap your mama, boy, not mine though. And we have some corn. We about to get a test drive on. Me and my sister. Okay. Can I get up in here? Can I get up in here? Yeah. We about to go. Okay. We hype.
I'm so used to
Ooh, peanut butter seats. I know, we so used to push the start, but got seatbelts on. All right, let's get our seatbelt. Hold on. We in the car. We in the car. I need the windows down.
Oh, how we roll the window down?
How you roll the window down here? Oh, you roll the windows down right there. Right there, you roll the window down, y'all. Okay, we got the windows down. Riding through the city looking pretty.
Oh, that's the wrong one.
We rode on the back window. Tamika don't know what she rolling down, y'all, but we in here.
I feel like we should go this way.
All right.
I drop cash at the dealership, they'll mail you things.
That's my best friend.
She a real fat, got her own car. She don't need no.
107.
Oh, you left her.
Right. I'm back in 5 minutes. Keep your radios like Detroit.
We gotta go back, y'all.
We on our way back. I forgot. Sorry.
Everybody. Yo, while we was just taking a test drive and my cousin said she wanted to go, my sister left on accident. So now we gotta pull it back up and get Taylor, baby. Taylor, baby, we on our way. We on our way. Just ate dinner. You like your food? Good. We had some good stuff. We had macaroni, ribs, chicken, greens. You name. You name. Potato, tomato, lamb, Okay, we got Taylor, y'all. She in the car.
Yeah, I'm here, y'all. One piece.
One piece. Get off on the mirror. Y'all.
We love the light.
Oh, I'm about to get a truck of Jamaican.
What he doing?
He ain't showing no interest in mommy wants to play some games.
Get her, Blanco. Get her. Blanco, stop.
Sit. He doing too much. Huh? Oh yeah, okay. You wanna play with us?
It got my mama. No, mom recorded, obviously. My beautiful mom out here playing ring toss, trying to get everybody to play.
Play Jay. Go ahead, Jay. Move.
Blanco is messing up the game. She ready to hoop hoop.
Oh yes. Go Sabrina. Yeah. Block off.
Air ball? Hey.
Don't get out on camera.
Okay, Amir. Okay. Izzy, say something to the people.
What's up with y'all?
Blanco terrorizing everybody.
Doing too much. He's just big tonight.
Oh no, he don't trust me. Trust me, he do. Here.
Alright, we gonna eat. If you wanna wait for corn, you can. Or you
Got my cousins and my sister. That's Ree, Mika. That's a video? Yes, a video. Hey, girl. Got Taylor. Hey, girl. Don't be hiding. You too cute to be hiding. You got Mari. Hey, mama.
lower medium.
Hey. She is ready for it. Got Mir and Jay in here playing the game. What y'all in here playing? Alright, y'all, we on our way to go see the land. Got my brother driving now. Look, we done been in everybody's car today.
Yeah, well, you already won. That's why every time I'm here, no, I gotta keep my gun.
Wait, we all gotta have our shades on too. Right, yo. Mom, you got your rib jeans, I didn't even notice. Okay, we have came back from going to see our land. I'm so excited to give you guys an update. I can't wait to make another video on that. But as of right now, we're gonna just take pictures. That is my aunties and my mom. One, two, three. That's so come on. One. Cute. Mom. Say hi. Hi. You got Mari in here.
I'm gonna do it one more time.
Okay, y'all. That pretty much wraps up this. You okay, mama? You all right? You need some water? Okay, y'all. That pretty much wraps up this vlog. Thanks for hanging with us on our Easter Sunday. Hope y'all enjoyed. Anywho, I'm gonna check back in with y'all in the next video. See y'all in a minute. Bye. Mwah.